South Texas ISD is here doing a conservation project. It's called Rio Reforestation. We're going to be planting 15,000 seedlings alongside other school districts and community members. Today, we are bringing in a couple of schools from South Texas ISD, including 30-some students from Science Academy. Medical Professions is here with over 40 plus students. We also have students from Virtual Academy and World Scholars Academy with their clubs and school programs. But aside from just our students, we also have teachers here within each of the campuses that are also contributing to this event. That's how important it is. And they brought in their children as well.
So we, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife, have a nursery, and we have a set of biologists and other professionals that go out into areas that have never been disturbed to collect the seed, process it at the nursery, grow the seedling, and then bring it, here to the land with the purpose of restore the land to what it used to look like in the past. Rio Reforestation, it's an event that has been going on for quite a few years, and actually today is the 30th anniversary, so we're super happy with the response that we got from the public. Studies, estimate that only 5% of the native habitat remains here in South Texas. So it is very critical at this time that we come together, not only, us as an agency to restore the land, but also, reaching out to community and partnering with people that play or could play a role on restoring the land, on, trying to mimic what it used to look like in the past.
I know that we have a very diverse area when it comes to plants and stuff, but we don't have areas like this anymore because of deforestation and all that's been going on. So I took this as an opportunity to kind of give back to my community what it's given to me. So planting this has been the opportunity to just feel better about where we live at and just be proud about where we're from.
With Medical Professions, I'm actually the president and founder of our recycling club. And I would definitely say I have a little bit of past experience with things pertaining to things like this. But I definitely feel like it's really good that not only our recycling club got invited to this, but all of Medical Professions got invited to this. And I feel like it's just important that everyone here gets to have that type of experience, just taking care of our planet.